question in regards to outfit, like Jewish outfit for people that have not converted yet. It's a person, like someone that is in a process of conversion, but not yet, like on the last stages of it. I mean, technically speaking, this person shouldn't even be allowed to look like a Jew yet, right?
Yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
If this person is seen in a place where it's like questionable, let's say this person is seen in, I don't know, like in a nightclub or something like that, is he gonna be punished for it? Like even, I don't know.
Exactly. Because you see, for people around, they do not understand he was converted on this way, on this day, or that day. And people like in minds, they have all of this, like they don't keep track of the day. So they say, no, he's actually, I saw this Jew. So now they see this guy with a kippah. Even though like he went to this club 6 months ago. Let's say, these Jews, they go to the clubs. Right, so, but he was not a Jew. He was allowed, not allowed, doesn't matter. But yeah, I know, he was a Jew. I know. I saw them with the keeper. You did not see, but whatever they see. So it's a very, 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 very delicate subject. Person have to be aware of, like you're representative of Hashem. So maybe not official now. Maybe you're in training, but there are doctors in training also, like. Volunteers in a hospital, but they represent the hospital. They cannot just yell at patients and curse them. You understand? Because just because they volunteer, they don't get paid. You understand? So you represent the HaKadosh Baruch Hu, so you have to act a part. Okay.
So would this be considered Chilul Hashem even when the person is not Jewish yet? Like,
yes. So, because again, so they would not connect the dots. It was no. 1 second. He converted on this day, but you saw them in the summer. But he converted in the fall, but you did not understand. Nobody is going to do this calculation. You understand? So they say no. He actually converted 6 years ago. 6 years. Yes, I know for sure. Yeah, I know for sure. So that's why we're not allowed. So sometimes like people overcharge or something. So some people start yelling and screaming. And this I went to dry cleanings, and then nice people, Chinese. Sometimes they give a wrong change. So I said no. I said sorry. No. It's I give you $20, $15, but you okay? Yeah, I'm sorry. So I don't think he did it on purpose. I said it nicely. Like maybe I cannot count, even though I know how much. Like whatever. But one lady came, like, and she started yelling and screaming at him. Unbelievable. So I said, Baruch Hashem, she's not Jewish. Otherwise, I would like, I don't know what I would do. Like I give you this example. We were flying in a plane, right? And long time ago, we have a special pass. Like we have this credit card, so they give you bonus. The only bonus that you can board the plane a little early before everybody, like special mile, whatever team, whatever was it, a long time ago. 15 years ago, right? So, and I had it for a few years. So, and they let us go like first, and we have a seats like closer to the end of the plane. So we go there. We have 2 carry-ons, and you usually like people have more carry-ons in olden days. Now they check, they weigh, but in olden days nobody checked, nobody weighed. So people have more carry-on than room on top, right? And nobody wants to put it under the seat because it's not convenient, of course. So whoever comes first goes first. They take a room. Okay, right. So we went first with my wife, and we put our luggage on top. It was a lot of room because we were like closer to the end. Then come 5 Jewish ladies, religious Hasidic ladies, and there was no room to put the luggage. And this lady, like 1 and 2, they opened their dirty mouth on this poor stewardess, non-Jewish. She see who they are. You understand how this fault of these poor girl, I don't know, like she's 20 years old, 25, I don't know, this young girl, she's red, she's blue, she's white, like how is it her fault that there is no room for a luggage? Just talk normally, just say, please, I apologize, I know I came late, I'm this, I'm that, could you see, maybe you can store some of my luggage? It's nice, but like why you like screaming at her? And then my wife wanted to sit next to the window, right? So the three seats. So usually we tried like to sit like it's not if possible not to sit to another woman, right? It's not to sit to another woman. But if it says clearly, Halachos is very clear. If your wife is next to you, there is no problem whatsoever. Of course, we're not touching. There is two this hand bars like hand rest. Nobody's touching anybody. You understand? She has her seat, I have my seat. We just sit next to each other. My wife, so she's, and this lady, like after she yelled at spill, like she did such a big Chol Hashem, like she said, maybe you want to switch with my wife. I said, like, stop. I don't want to talk to you. Like, you're embarrassing to the whole nation. You understand? So in her mind, to yell at this poor stewardess, it was normal. But to sit next to the man, maybe it's not so normal. So, but I said, I told her, it's my wife. This lady is my wife, so there is no problem. So, okay. People are crazy. Of course, later on, I switched with my wife. She wants to see like a take off, but that's what it is. So it was big Chol Hashem. So not allowed, even if they throw your luggage from the plane, not allowed to yell at these people. You understand? Even you right 100%. Still don't do it. Because that's how they're going to think about all of the religious people. That's it. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.